Hello guys, welcome to the another ultimate guide for transforming your room into a tech paradise. Here are the latest and greatest gadgets that will take your room to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Ease and earbuds, they not only look great, but also provide you with high quality sound and a noise cancellation feature, which is incredibly useful during phone calls. And hey, have you seen that charging pad? You bet these earbuds charge wirelessly, and what's more, you can even use it to charge your phone, especially when you know those video calls will last a while. The Tilt 5 holographic gain system, see those glasses, you guessed right. They make everything pop in full 3D right on your game board. The graphics are insane, bringing games to life with vibrant colors and mind-blowing details. All thanks to AirTech that projects holographic images onto a physical surface. The glasses track your movements, allowing you to interact with the virtual environment and objects in the game. Don't you think you'll play all alone? The Tilt 5 system also supports multiplayer gameplay, making it an exciting option for gaming with friends and family. Is your friend late? Play another game and then just save the progress for when they join you. This magnetic rotatable lid is so well balanced that you can spin it forever, and besides that, this thing provides plenty of compartments for your everyday essentials. Keys, wallet, glasses and earphones. Feel free to customize your box using the included removable dividers. It's fully adjustable. Devon Timesgate, with 5 full-color LCD displays, you can customize and show off your own pixel art creations, or pick one from the huge gallery. It also functions as a cool pixel clock, plus it's Wi-Fi connected, so you can sync it up with Alexa or IFTTT. With real-time social media performance tracking and the ability to monitor stocks and currencies, this display is practical and stylish. This mount digital frame is like your TV, mounted on the wall in your kitchen to have the needed recipe or follow-along video right in front of your eyes. Speaking of videos, yes, the device supports your favorite platforms. When installed in the kids' room, you can cheer them up and start their day with another fun fact. This thing will also serve as your to-do list with the most important tasks. Before going outside, don't forget to check the weather forecast. Want to look through your family photos? Sure, you can do that using the frame. X-Turbo is a wrist rest with built-in fans that provide you with a powerful airflow to keep your hands dry. In addition, the adjustable 30-degree rotation lets you find your perfect angle, so wrist tension is no longer an issue. The memory foam ensures that your hands are comfortably and properly placed, while the PU leather complements the fan's increasing heat dissipation. Accordion lamp, not only does it adjust in length, but it can also take on various forms. You can easily extend it into a full circle, or stand it upright. You can even combine 2 accordion lamps to create even more impressive and unusual shapes. The included magnetic strap transforms it into a hanging lamp. With a rechargeable battery, you get up to 8 hours of continuous use. Why don't you put this pyramid on your desktop? This sculpture brings intrigue with its levitation magic. There are so many colors to choose from, yet I suggest picking either the white or iridescent models that include a built-in decorative light, adding an extra wow factor. Just touch the corner of the pyramid space, and watch the room come alive with dazzling reflections. Ampulla Horizon Lamp Tiny Tree will complement your bedside table and won't require a single drop of water, just a regular power source. There's a touch panel with a digital clock at the top of the crown for all the settings. If you forget to turn the lamp off, it'll do that automatically in 30 minutes. It also has a built-in speaker. Finally, the lamp will ensure that your phone is fully charged in the morning. Sony's portable theater system. With 360 spatial sound mapping technology, you'll feel surrounded by virtual speakers in every direction. But here's the cool part, you can also arrange the 3 speakers in different corners of the room or a bed for a personalized audio setup. The controls are easy, just download the app and follow a few simple steps. With a 30-hour running time, you can even watch your favorite trilogy, like The Lord of the Rings, on one charge.